This setup is designed for simple private wellness use, either for yourself or for small bookable sessions. In a typical backyard setting, sessions are offered by appointment only, usually for individuals or small groups. Guests book a time, arrive at the property and are welcomed into the sauna space. A session typically includes heat exposure in the sauna, optional cold immersion or cooling, and time to rest and reset. After each session, the space is cleaned, towels are refreshed, and the sauna is prepared for the next booking. For many owners, this creates an opportunity to share the benefits of sauna, supporting mental and physical well-being, building community, and creating meaningful moments for others. At the same time, some owners choose to structure their sessions in a way that generates steady income, helping offset the cost of purchasing, operating, and maintaining their sauna. It's a balanced model combining lifestyle, purpose, and practical financial sustainability.